Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of environment and basic science. So the first question is, fruits stored in a cold chamber exhibit longer storage life because option A, exposure to sunlight is prevented, option B, concentration of carbon dioxide in the environment is increased, option C, rate of respiration is decreased, option D, there is an increase in humidity. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number C, rate of respiration is decreased. So fruits respire, they give out ethylene which helps in ripening. So when fruits are kept in cold storage, the rate of ethylene production can be controlled and shelf life of fruits can be increased. So this was all about question number first. So you should know the basic concepts of basic science. So this was the question that was asked from basic science. And now let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements. First, in tropical regions, Zika virus disease is transmitted by the same mosquito that transmits dengue. Second, sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number C, both 1 and 2. So dengue, Zika virus and chikungunya are spread through a common vector, the Aedes aegypti mosquito. So first statement is right. Although Zika virus is primarily transmitted through mosquitoes, it can also be sexually transmitted as well. So statement number second is also right. So friends, this theme of disease is important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. So UPSC asks questions about various disease like Zika virus. In this 2017 examination, UPSC asked question about Zika virus, and in previous years like 2018 and 17, UPSC has asked question about HIV virus, about AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and about other diseases also. So this disease which is in the news nowadays, so you should know about that disease. Like today we are getting news about COVID-19. So nowadays there is lots and lots of news about COVID-19. So you should know about COVID-19, so about COVID virus, SARS-CoV-2 virus, and the other news related to this virus and the basic science behind this virus. So you should know all the basic concepts behind this. So now let us discuss question number third. Which one of the following terms describe not only the physical space occupied by an organism, but also its functional role in the community of organisms? Option A, ecotone. Option B, ecological niche. Option C, habitat. Option D, home range? So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option B, ecological niche. So ecological niche is a term that describes the way of life of a species. Each species is thought to have a separate, unique niche. The ecological niche describes how an organism or population responds to the distribution of resources and competitors. A niche is a sum of the habitat requirements that allow a species to persist and produce offspring. So this ecological niche concept is important for prelims examination. So you should know the meaning of ecotone, what ecotone is, and what do you mean by habitat, and what is meant by home range. So you should know all about the basic terminology in ecology and environment. So UPSC can ask about these basic terminologies in its prelims examination. So UPSC has already asked about the term ecosystem. What do you mean by ecosystem? So like this question, UPSC framed one statement on ecosystem, and then UPSC gave 4 options. So you have to tell the correct option that describes the ecosystem. So you should read about the basic terminologies, and you can Google the basic terminologies of environment and ecology. So this is important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. So now let us discuss question number 4. If a particular plant species is placed under Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what is the implication? Option A license is required to cultivate that plant. Option B, such a plant cannot be cultivated under any circumstances. Option C, it is genetically modified crop plant. Option D, such a plant is invasive and harmful to the ecosystem. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A license is required to cultivate that plant. So Wildlife Protection Act 1972 has 6 schedules. So no person is allowed to cultivate a specified plant mentioned in Schedule 6 except with a license granted by the Chief Wildlife Warden. So the plant mentioned in the 6 schedules are pitcher plant, red vanda, kuth, blue vanda, redoms, kycad, ladies slipper or orchids. So you can read more about these plants. So in 2017 prelims examination, UPSC asked question about Schedule 1 of this Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and in 2020 prelims examination, UPSC asked question about Schedule 6 of this act. So you should know all about all the schedules of these acts. You should know what is there in Schedule 4 of this act, what is there in Schedule 5, 2nd, 3rd, and all the schedules. Actually there are 6 schedules under this act, so you should know about all the schedules in detail. So this is extremely important for from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So some acts are really very important, like Environment Protection Act 1986, Wildlife Protection Act, and Biodiversity Act. So these acts are really very important. So you should know about all these acts. So every year UPSC frames question based upon these acts, these important environment acts. So you should read about these acts from standard sources. So now let us discuss question number 5. If you want to see ghadials in their natural habitat, which one of the following is the best place to visit? Option A, Bhitarkanika mangroves. Option B, Chambal River. Option C, Pulicat Lake. Option D, Deepor Bill. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option B, Chambal River. So ghadials are river dwelling fish eaters, and their only viable population is in the Chambal sanctuary. So option number B should be the answer. So you should know about Bhitarkanika mangroves also. UPSC has asked question about Bhitarkanika mangroves also, and you should know about Pulicat Lake. So in, I think, 2018 prelims examination, UPSC framed one question on Pulicat Lake, that Pulicat Lake is in two districts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, something like that. So in 1 year, UPSC give that option, that particular thing in one of its option, and in another year UPSC frames question or statement about that thing, let's say Pulicat Lake. So you should read more about all the options. So this Dipor bill, and you should also know about this Dipor bill, what is that. So what is the importance of Dipor bill. So in this way you can prepare for this prelims examination. So this is all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel, and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you.